Find a relaxed position, preferably seated comfortably. Bring kind attention to your jaw. Take a light breath in, and on the out breath, allow your shoulders to drop. Say Emma 3 times. Emma, Emma, Emma. On the A of the third Emma, keep the teeth slightly apart and lightly bring your tongue to the top of your mouth, behind your upper teeth. Again, take a light breath, and on the out breath, allow your shoulders to drop. Repeat the exercise whenever you feel you are clenching and as part of your bedtime routine.